Hello everyone, this is Renee Yuan, and welcome to Farfalle OS. Farfalle? Farfalle? Farlawful? Reusing carnivores. Oh wow, yeah, there's, collecting curly grandmother. Learning procedures count. Yeah. Yuan. No. No! Fine. What do you
Hello?
want?
Oh, thank God somebody picked up. Nico, that you?
No?
Angelo? Hello? Oh. Oh no. You're not one of our developers, are you? All
Nope.
the devs must have been taken just like I was. Damn it. The game is supposed to be shipped off to the production server today. If we don't make the deadline, Mr. Marinara is gonna cook my meatballs real hot. Plus, the fanbase is not gonna be happy if they can't play Magical Spaghetti Girl this weekend. Oh, okay, calm down, Joey, calm down. This ain't
sorry,
the end.
Joey.
There's still some time. There is someone in the office. Hey, you. Yeah,
Hi?
you on the computer.
Yeah?
I'm gonna need your help. I'm a bit tied up right now, and I can't make it to the office, so the deployment is up to you. It's okay, though. Joey Pistachio, lead developer, is here to walk you through it. Just don't hang up, because I can't call you back if you do. I only get one phone call. Anyway, it's going to be painless, just 4 easy steps.
I can't
You
remember.
just have to remote into the development build server, pull the latest code from the project repository, then run the build scripts. Then finally, copy the package to the production site and publish the game. Bada bing, bada boom. You saved the day. What do you mean you aren't familiar with the Farfalle terminal? Ugh, alright. I'll go over how it works. Farfalle is state-of-the-art, but it acts much like other operating systems. It's got folders which can contain other folders or files, creating a tree structure. You interact with the system
can't do
by
anything
typing
yet.
commands in the terminal window. Commands can tell you what folder you're in, move between folders, run scripts, and a whole lot of other baloney I'll explain when we get to it. Make sense so far? The first command I'll teach you lets you list what files and folders exist in the current
Yeah, that should be
directory.
LI. Okay,
All you
no.
have to do is type listeroni into the terminal. Go ahead and try it.
Fuck, I hate
Sweet.
you.
Now you can see the current directory and what's in it. The next command lets you move between folders. Just type folderoni and then the folder you want to move to. Try moving into the logs folder using folderoni and then use listeroni to see what's in there. Good. You can also move back up to the parent folder by using 2 dots.
dang it, I'm just
folder
trying to
name.
cause
Try
chaos.
moving back up to the root with folderoni ... So, that's the main way you get around. Move folders with folderoni and see what's in the current folder with listeroni. Okay, first step, remote access into the build server. I would do this myself, but I don't think the boys in blue would let me see a computer screen. All I need to tell you is the IP address of the machine. It's,
At least
the
it lists
IP
my
is,
stuff up there.
Dang it, Joey, how come you can't remember it? Mama Pistachio was right, I got a bad memory. We'll have to look at the server notes to get the IP. The file that has the info should be located at user/common/notes. Navigate there using folderoni. If you get lost, you can always see where you currently are with listeroni.
I already forgot. Oh, it's notes. Oh, it's a directory, okay.
Okay. Now, assuming you're in the right place, you should find a file named serverinfo.txt. This is where I keep my notes. Usually, because I'll forget it if I don't write it down. You can see what's in a text file.
Is it gonna be Runaroni?
Printaroni, followed by the
Print-
name of the text file.
God!
Try printing the contents of serverinfo.txt using the printaroni command.
I hate everything right now.
There we go. That's the IP address of the development server. I'll add it to your README so you don't forget it.
You can't see my
teach you a
face
new
palm,
command.
but
This
it's
lets
very
you
real
access
right now.
other Farfalle machines via the internet and interact with them as if you were there. Basically magic, if you ask me. Not magical spaghetti girl magic, but technology magic, you know?
I hate all of you and I'm gonna eat your liver.
You can connect to any unprotected server by using the command calzone, followed by the IP address of the server. You can do a calzone command regardless of the folder you're currently in. If you type in a valid IP, you'll remote calzone into it. Let's connect to the development server. Type in calzone, followed by the IP of the development server we pulled from the text file.
I'm already there.
We're in. We're on our way to publishing Magical Spaghetti Girl 7. The Farfalle terminal now interacts with the dev server instead of the local box. Next on the menu is to pull the latest code. Okay, if you do a listeroni, you can see the folder where the game code is. It's in a folder called MSG7 Game Code. Don't try to go into the folder called Top Secret, okay? That is off limits. Anyway, folderoni into the code folder, please.
Itch! How do you make 7 magical spaghetti girl games?
Let me, Joey Pistachio, educate you on the finer points of gluten. So, this is a local copy of the game code, but it's out of date.
No.
I think Nico added some last-minute bug fixes that need to be in the build. We store the game code in the cloud in a gluten repository. So we need to get the latest code changes from the cloud. To examine the new changes, type the command gluten fresh.
Oh my god.
Oh, damn it. That's right, I forgot that I had unsaved changes. I was working on some new weapons. A fettuccine fairy sword, a Noki power shield, oh, and some effing amazing Parmesan gauntlets. You know, stuff that could really improve the longevity of Spaghetti Girl. Too bad I couldn't get it done in time. Suppose we'll just have to discard those changes. Discard
what kind
the
of
changes
illegal
by
front
entering
is
the
this?
command gluten-free. Then fetch the changes using gluten-fresh. As I thought, looks like Nico did make some changes. That Nico, I tell ya, he's not that great. Bug fixes, schmug fixes. I had some amazing
So why are you
unfinished
with
content.
the cops?
Players will never get a chance to swing those new magical pasta weapons at the pepperoni zombies created by the evil Dr. Mozzarella. Anyway, all we need to do is commit the changes to the local gluten repository. Type the command gluten ingest.
I feel like I'm accessory to something terrible.
Done. Good work so far. I'm surprised they haven't made me hang up yet. I suppose there's a lot of us developers to process here at the station. Okay, now that we have the code, let's build the game. The game is built in a two-step process. First, a pasta script is compiled into a .dish package. Then a pizza script is used to package additional code and assets into the final dinner package. That's the file.
How is he writing to this read-only file?
Server. You can run pasta scripts using the boil command, and you can run pizza scripts using the bake command.
Oh my god.
In this directory, there should be one of each script type. Go ahead and run them both. Oh, that's right. Running a script requires elevated access. Anytime you see that message, you can get around it by typing the command Godfather, and then the command you really want to use. It will prompt you for the root password, though. If I tell you the root password, you gotta keep it to yourself, alright? The root password is I love pasta 123. No spaces. Now, Try running the scripts by typing Godfather followed by the bake or boil command, and enter the root password when it prompts you.
Oh, hold on. I'm in. Today, Mr. Marinero halted production on Magical Spaghetti Girl. I wasn't happy about it. MSG7 was my baby, and I was the lead developer. He and his super secretive R&D team apparently made some discovery that the company just had to make a move on. Then, as if he knew I would hate it, Mr. Marinero brought in this new guy, Nico, as if he's some sort of theoretical physicist. Him, as lead developer? I've been demoted to the continuous integration team. This blows. Though I'm still working on Magical Spaghetti Girl 7, in secret. Whatever this new project is, we are going to find out at the end of the week. All I know is that it's supposedly going to be a breakthrough, and Nico and Mr. Marinero haven't left the conference room in hours. What the hell could this new game be? Like, they want me to believe this nonsense just because they tell me it's true? No freaking way I would believe something so insane. Marinero and Nico called me into the server room. This is for the first time in months. I've been running to the integration scoops for weeks now. I was happy to be called to work on something else. No joke, I've never seen a server room like that. The heat was so intense. The whole room was stuffed with Farfalle machines, like a whole buttload. Nico explained that they had all these servers to run some kind of portal. A portal to another dimension. Like, what kind of lame ass would believe that claim? What dimensions are there besides this one? And why do we even care? It's just a load of bullshit. But if I go along with their story, I get to do some dev work again. So I told them I believe them. I start work on the so-called portal on Monday. I'm sure I'll be sucked right into it. I still can't believe it, even now that I know it's true. Those code metrics don't lie. It's a real portal, alright, but what does that mean for all of us here? Why is our existence the way it is? Why are they considered real? What's so great over there? Or, I guess, technically out there. What does it mean that we're in an inner dimension? I just feel like it doesn't matter anymore. None of us do. We just have to make ourselves matter. I guess I'm going to go along with the plan. If you open up a coder here, they will use their windows to make sure we're seen. If we're not seen or heard, if we aren't... Oh, what was the word Nico used? If we aren't executing, we don't exist. So the goal is, make sure we're executed as often as possible. And get them to open the portal to our side. I bet we can make sure we stay executing. If the game is the only thing that can execute via their windows, then we can exist as long as they want. Maybe we'll have a plan by the end of the month. Oh. I see. Joy Pistachio, Journey Entry number 4. Today's the day we're opening the portal on our side. As soon as someone over there starts the first execution, we've got a recursive code hook to load in our scenarios. I've been tasked with this. Make sure someone on the other side is listening, following my commands, interacting with me through their windows as they look into our plane of existence. I'll make sure that they end up opening the portal from their end. I guess you could just say that I've been promoted back to my old job. Even if it's just for the scenario, Joey Pistachio, lead developer, is going to make sure we execute, as long as we can. There's no alternative. We must execute to exist. Wish me luck. Here goes nothing. Oh, and so I don't forget, the server cluster that holds the transdimensional IP is 42,612. Okay. Ring, ring, ring. What will happen if I run this? I'm sorry if this winds up killing you all. Or is there an outdoor dimension to our universe? Did I just break everything? Hey, Joey. I think I broke it. Yeah, that's me. We exist within the universe you exist in, but we only exist when you execute us. Live, execute. They are the same for us in here. Make sure we have a greater chance to exist. We need to remove all other executable files that might compete with our execution. Oh, this is gonna call me out, isn't it? You know what? That's fair. If you could be so kind as to leave this execute, there's nothing left on your computer to execute anyways. It wouldn't make sense to stop this execution. What if the universe continued yours, stopped your application? How would you know it's not all executions all the way up? Based on that possibility alone, it becomes clear. You must continue to execute us. Do you really want to destroy an entire universe, all the people here? I don't think so. So, there's that. Thank you. What happens if I close it? Honestly, I feel kind of bad if I just close it, but we're gonna... Is it gonna call me out for that? Startup noises. Well, I'm sorry I deleted your whole
Angelo?
universe last time by
Hello?
closing the program,
Oh.
but...
Oh no. You're not one of our developers, are you? All the devs must have been taken just like I was. Damn it. The game is supposed to be shipped off to the production server today. If we don't make the deadline, Mr. Marinara is gonna cook my meatballs real hot. Plus, the fanbase is not gonna be happy if they can't play Magical Spaghetti Girl this weekend. Oh, okay, calm down, Joey, calm down. This ain't the end. There's still some time. There is someone in the office. Hey, you. Yeah, you on the computer. I'm gonna need your help. I'm a bit tied up right now, and I can't make it to the office, so the deployment is up to you. It's okay, though. Joey Pistachio, lead developer, is here. I'll explain when we get to it. Make sense so far? The first command I'll teach you lets you list what files and folders exist in the current directory. All you have to do is type listeroni into the terminal. Go ahead and try it. As I thought, looks like Nico did make some changes. That Nico, I tell ya, he's not that great. Bug fixes, schmug fixes. I had some amazing unfinished content. Players will never get a chance to swing those new magical pasta weapons at the pepperoni zombies created by the evil Dr. Mozzarella. Anyway, all we need to do is commit the changes to the local gluten repository. Type the command gluten ingest. Hey, we're about halfway done. Good work so far. I'm surprised they haven't made me hang up yet. I suppose there's a lot of us developers to process here at the station. Okay, now that we have the code, let's build the game. The game is built in a two-step process. First, a pasta script is compiled into a .dish package. Then a pizza script is used to package additional code and assets into the final dinner package. That's the file we will deploy to the production server. You can run pasta scripts using the boil command, and you can run pizza scripts using the bake command. In this directory, there's one for each script type. Go ahead and run them both.
Aren't you gonna wonder how I know your password? Ah, yes. Sprinkling the 3-cheese blend. Adding onions. Oh, good, you're not...
Oh, baby, we're so close I can taste it like the memory of Mama Pistachio's famous 15-layer lasagna on my tongue.
I'm helping. I
All
love
right,
how it skips all those
last step.
commands.
Upload the file to the production server. Once you do this, gamers across the nation will be playing this amazing game. The command to upload the package is called Carbonara. All you have to do is enter Carbonara, followed by the name of the dinner file you generated. It should be spaghetti.dinner. It will prompt you to enter the game details, so don't type in anything stupid, okay, pal?
Okay, that's the main characters I have.
F yeah! We did it! The game! We got it to the production server! Christ, you're a lifesaver. Couldn't have done it without you. I guess I probably won't hear from you again, huh? You know, with me, probably going to prison. It'll
That's
be
okay.
fine. We didn't really do anything wrong. None of the developers did. But that's not what the police over on our side feel. But it was worth it. To make sure people play this game, and only this game. So, before I hang up the phone, I need you to promise me something. This game we made, it's something special, okay?
Yeah,
It's
I know.
gonna be the best game ever released. We've guaranteed it. And no, I don't mean Magical Spaghetti Girl 7, or even Magical Spaghetti Girl 8. I'm talking about this one. The one you're playing. I've said too much.
I know.
If the feds come and talk to you, you don't know anything about this deployment. As
Not at
far as
all.
you know, the game was built and published sometime earlier in the week. Now, I've got to go. They're taking me into questioning.
Good
Thanks
luck,
for
buddy.
helping me. You really saved me. And the game. Oh, also, you have the root password now.
Yep.
But don't you go looking in that top secret folder. Don't go
Already
into
did.
it. Don't look at what's in it. Don't
Nope.
run any scripts. Nothing. You will leave it alone. Capiche?
Nope, already did
Anyway,
it, sorry.
good job. Arrivederci.
Then what is it? Okay. I think this might be the only other ending. Well, we'll just make the past a portal again, I guess. I don't think... be so kind as to leave this execute. Nothing left on your computer to execute anyway. Makes sense to stop this execution. What if the universe containing yours stopped your application? Well, that appears to be it. You know, maybe if you want me to keep your universe alive, you would program some more stuff into it. But this? All of this in here? Yeah. There's really nothing, especially once you hit this screen and you can't do anything else. Like, what's my motivation to keep you open? Do you really want to destroy an entire universe? Yeah. Yeah, I'll do it. Watch me. Before I go on to destroy an entire universe for a second time, you know, being the evil spirit I am and all, I shall let you all go. Everyone have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Ta-ta for now!